new part. Okay, we need to make a little mount for the little camera. So, right, I don't know whether I draw this first. I might draw this first, just as a box. So we need a box that's 41.3 by, I think I need new calipers because these are a little bit wonky and wobbly. Center rectangle, boom, boom, rectangle, done. Yay! So this is, how long is it? I'm going to say 59. Yeah. No, this is why I'm building the box first, right? So then we can kind of like build around it. And then we're going to extrude that by, boop, 21. Okay, cool. Features extrude. This one's got, it's got a little bit on the back, the battery. So it's going to be like easily removable. So this is like, I don't know, what's the requirements? Cool. Right, okay, so that is our GoPro. That is the GoPro. So I need to be careful. I can't get in the sides. Okay, cool. Right, so now, right, okay, how are we going to do this? We're going to go normal 2, right, and we're going to sketch on that one. I have an idea, and this might be good, maybe shit. But that's what CAD's all about, is it means that I can just do stuff and it really doesn't matter because it's just some pictures on the computer. Right, okay, so we're going to get some center lines just so I can mirror some stuff. And then we're going to draw. There to there. To there. To there. To there. So we're going to kind of go in on the corners, I think. And then we're going to center line down there, which is going to coincide with my corner. If I can get that point. That's going to coincide with that corner. Do you see where I'm going here? So it's just going to like curl over the corners. So yeah, no, the corners have rad, but it's okay because we're going to like extend it out slightly. And we're going to go down that side and down that, so it's going to sit like that on the corner, and then just a little clip over the top. But we're going to put a nice little rad in the corner of it anyway, because we put a rad on everything, because that's what we do. I think that looks okay, you know, in terms of an idea. I don't know how I'm going to fix it to the top yet. Maybe a clip on the bar, maybe, I don't know. Right, how wide is this got to be? So just use the calipers and just go, yeah, that wide. Is that going to get in the way of anything? Possibly. So we might have to go a little bit smaller. We just don't want it to kind of like get in the way of anything. Right, so we're going to go 7mm on that one. That looks good. And we can go, how deep can we go in there? This is a really good idea. Just let me loose with CAD and just be like, yeah, I can just make things. We're going to go like 5. From there to there, it's got to be like 5. So that's cool. Cool. So that is the basis of like our kind of like that's going to hold the camera in place. And we're going to do some fillets. Because obviously we're going to do some fillets. Because fillets are the best. Right, okay, that looks pretty cool. So that's going to hold the camera in place. So, then we're going to go. Okay, no, we can't fill it the whole thing. We're going to go normal too. So we're going to turn it around there. And then we need some legs coming out here. So we need some legs, yeah. Then we're going to sketch off that plane. Should we do a new plane on there actually so they all kind of like, yeah. I'm just showing off my reference geometry stuff now. Right, we need some fillets in those corners, and I need to make sure that they're kind of like both. I should have done this before I thingied it, shouldn't I? Is 1.5mm enough? Do we reckon 1.5mm is enough? Hopefully with it being mirrored. Oh, is that's not to the right bit, is it? No. I don't even know what that dimension goes to, but it's not that corner, that line, to that line. I don't know if that's going to be too loose. With like 1.5mm tolerance around it. That should be as well. Yes! Oh, this is the beauty of mirroring things, is it just kind of like adapts all of it. Cool. Get out. Let's just do that one. 3mm overall, yeah. See, 3mm, like that looks massive. That gap there looks huge, and this is the problem I have with CAD. It's the fact that I'm always like, oh my god, that's like way too big. So like I make it really small and I'm like, you know, 0.0002mm tolerance. Do you want to go 3.5mm? So that sits 3.5 out the back of that. How big is 3.5mm? Not very big. That's like, oh, that's like not very big at all. That's like, that's like that big off the back. That's really small. It needs to be bigger than that, doesn't it? It needs to be about 5. So it sits proud a little bit. Right, cool. It doesn't really matter because we're going to kind of like go on top of that anyway. Oh, that's looking good now. It's nicer. So these hopefully will be flexible enough that we can just kind of like pop it in. Gotta go for a fillet. Gotta go for a fillet. Oh my god, gotta go for a fillet. Most people get excited about fillet steaks. I, however, really like a fillet on CAD. Swivelly around. Okay, that's looking pretty cool. So if we kind of like hide that one now. Oh no, the whole thing went away. Oh, I don't know. Bugger. I didn't mean to attach that to that. There should have been a gap there. Technically, there should be a very small gap, and we've got some issues, but it's fine. Yes, okay, I've done. Yes, fantastic. Okay. For another line here. I'm not just making pretty patterns, just in case you're wondering. This is genuine, serious engineering going on here. We're gonna get rid of a load of them. We'll get rid of them in there, in the middle. I'm gonna get rid of all this in the middle. And then as if by magic, this is going to be like a whole piece on the back. And that one. It's just going to be like a whole piece on the back, but just like, that is a line there, isn't it? Yeah. Cool. And then we're going to chuck some fillets on it. Because we like a fillet. We're going to go, yeah, that kind of looks a bit cool. So... oh shit, did I not close the sketch? I did not close the sketch. Right, let's go back to sketch. That bit there, needs to close that sketch. There we are, now that's fully defined. Okay, fantastic. yes, that should be nice and snug. Are they connected? They look connected. I just don't like the line there. It kind of like makes me feel a little bit like they're not connected. You know? Let's have a look at it in that kind of... Yeah, no, that's cool. Chuck some perspective on it. That looks sick. So... Oh, I think I'd lose my shit or something like that. I would definitely lose my shit over something like that. Right, what are we thinking to this so far? To obviously house the camera. The problem is I don't know what to do on the fixing side on the back. Right, okay, I'm going to take the camera off here and I'm going to show you like where it's going to live. So this is going to be my little like electronics lab bit. At the moment there's a random keyboard and some crap there, but it's going to mount under here. So I don't know if I screw into... It's a very good picture there, isn't it? I don't know if I screw into the thing there, or whether it kind of clips onto the rail. So I don't know. That's going to be like my little electronics corner. So I don't quite know how... Whether we Velcro it under there? I've got some command strips and some Velcro. Like Velcro command strips. Oh, a little pivot mount would be good. Oh. A pivot would be good. Because this thing, like, I can command strip it on, like, they're strong. They're pretty strong. No, let's make it complex. This is just the whole point of doing it on here, is like I've got you guys kind of like, so I don't know. So that looks like it's going to fit that really nicely. It's going to be nice and snug in there. It's going to hold it nicely. It's not going to get in the way of anything. We do need to put some more fillets on it though, because why would we not put fillets on it? I just thought I'd got to 3D print this, so that's going to have supports there. Shit, no, I didn't actually mean to fillet that. No. Right. So how's this going to mount? This is the thing. How are we going to mount this? Do I screw it on? Because if I screw it on, I can just chuck some holes in, like coming from that side. Then we've kind of like got a fixed location. 3 pins under the centre, put a pin. Oh yeah. Yeah, but like, how's it gonna like, it might just rotate too freely then. I need to put like a lock on it. How do I do a lock? Yeah, so we could, normal 2. We don't want to draw it on that plane, do we? We want to draw it on that plane. So we want to go on there. We want to draw it down the bottom there. If you get what I mean. Okay, so now we've got a bit for there. So that should be like dead in the centre. So that's got that bit. So that's going to sit up like that. And then we need to go right plane. We need to go normal 2 again. So we're back down here. There we are, we have 3. 3 holes that will be part of our mountain.